Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off and restart your iPhone. If you have a new iPhone 13, 12, 11, even the iPhone 10s, this is going to be the way how to restart or turn off your phone. Let's get started. So the first thing that you have to do is, back in the old days, you have to press and hold the power button here. And if you press and hold on to it, it only gives you that Siri icon in the bottom here. But we don't want that at all, right? And so it only brings that up when you first get the new phone. And in order to turn off the phone is you have to press the volume up, volume down, and then press on the Siri button here on the side. It's now called the side button, not the on and off button. But if you press top, bottom, and then the Siri button, it gives you the option to slide to power off. And that's how you turn off the phone. But now, I've seen a lot of times where if phones, for some reason, starts to freeze up on you and you can't turn off the phone, you can't touch the screen, another way that you can do this to manually and forcefully reset your phone is to do the same exact key concepts. You do the top, you do the bottom, and then you press the Siri button and you hold on to it, and you keep holding on to it until the screen turns black. And you might have to hold on to it for about 30 seconds, and then my screen turned black, and just keep holding on to it because it's going to go to the Apple screen there. And when it goes to the Apple screen, it's going to go to the main screen of the phone, and then you can start typing in your passcodes or unlocking your phone, whichever way that you have it. And that's it. I hope you guys like this video. I know it's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, but it's something that is really new and a lot of people don't really know how to do this. I get a lot of questions about how to turn off my new iPhone. How do I reset it? And this is the exact way on how to do it. But until next time, make sure to subscribe to this channel right down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.